Hi, I'm Katie Calcutt, Grass and Forage Equipment Product Specialist for KUHN UK, and I'm going to show you around our iBio Plus Bale and Wrap all-in-one machine. Like all the balers in the KUHN range, the iBio Plus benefits from our integral rotor design. The inline rotor and auger ensures fast throughput of the swath, reducing the risk of blockages and allowing the operator to go at faster forward speeds even in wet conditions. KUHN's patented film binding system won a silver award in the Livestock Innovation category at LAMMA 2019. Our twin reel design uses standard 750mm rolls of wrapping film, enabling the operator to use the same film for binding as on the wrapping system. By being put through a 70% pre-stretcher, the amount of bales bound per roll is maximised, minimising film roll changing intervals. As well as a more user-friendly exchange of film rolls compared to other systems, our system also offers significant cost savings. The iBio Plus bales and wraps the bale in situ, so there is no transfer of the bale. The enclosed wrapping ring is capable of wrapping a bale with the industry standard of 6 layers of film in 18 seconds, lending to a fast operation. For bale ejection, the wrapping ring moves up and the bottom chamber rollers move down, lowering the bale to approximately an 80cm drop height. The iBio Plus is an isobus controlled baler, so can be run through an isobus tractor terminal or used with a CCI 50 or 1200 for optimum control. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us or your local KUHN dealer.